大家好，我是 Mary, and welcome to watch another episode of Changfeng Po Lang. Did I say it right?
Yep.
Okay. And please, if you like this video, 一键三连，谢谢你. Okay, so this next one, you all are familiar with it. It's been sweeping the internet, trending on everything. It's Ning's group singing 孤勇之. Was that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's watch it. She really looks like a character from the game. Valen is setting the mood for us, she's setting the scene for us, and I think it's a great choice. And the piano, it's a great touch, it's very pacifying. Jessica has been really impressive throughout this competition. She's singing Chinese again, and this is the second song this week, and she's doing great at it. I'm very impressed. Ning's voice, I'm sure she's not waiting for me to comment on it, so I'm gonna comment again on the outfit, beautiful, and the makeup. The makeup looks amazing. She really does look like a character from the game. Okay, adding Tanwei Wei to this song is making me raise my expectations even more, so let's see. Wow. 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 Again, I know I said it, but Jessica's Chinese accent is very clear. It's really clear, you almost wouldn't think she even has an accent. She must have practiced a lot, because it takes me hell to practice my Chinese. I'm really, really impressed with her. Okay. That's a vocal duet that I think I'm always looking forward to it. Wow. 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 She's rapping now. Wow. Tan Wei Wei is so versatile. She's really versatile. Like, she can do anything. Wow. 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 They're like setting it on fire. That's a great performance. Wow. Wow. Wow, what can I even say about this? Alright, I know I keep saying this, but I have to say it this time for sure. This was amazing. Amazing. I think it was one of the best this week, if not the best. It's full of energy, has a great message to send. Each one sang her heart out. I'm really out of words. I really am out of words. I don't know how to describe this group performance this week. It was so good. I think it's the song. Like, the song is making me feel this way, but also they made us feel this way. Their voices, their energy, the outfits, the performance. What can I say about it? So you guys let me know. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it, please. And thank you so much for watching. Cut.